Alright, YouTube. I missed yesterday. I had fucking jury duty or jury summons, so I couldn't record. But I did take a long trade, all-time high. I didn't really look at Forex Factory. I know after I took the trade, basically there was a bunch of news that came out, and we started dumping. Like this is like what, from here to here, 300 points. Yeah, 300 point drop, dump, and I wasn't too focused, but we did take a win on this, so I wanted to recap what I did. So going into, I actually traded pre-market, like 10 minutes before pre-market, because I saw a nice continuation to the upside. So my thought process here was we were bullish, and I marked out this high, marked out this low. These were my levels. Went down to the 15 minutes. Alright, so then we tapped this high. Let's go down to the 5. So we tapped this high, and I was waiting. I was doing this in the courtroom, or not in the courtroom, but in the jury lounge where you get selected. But I was waiting for this higher low to form. As soon as this higher low formed, I entered, and it was like 9:25 ish, or no, 9:15. Yeah, 9:15. So 9:15 hit. I entered. Nice higher low was formed, and then we just kept going higher. I saw this retracement back, and what happened here was, let's go down to the 1 minute. So what happened was market opens, see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows are being formed. Then we tap back into our entry zone. I'm not on my phone, so I'm not really watching the trade. I like the setup because of this higher low that was formed on the 5 minute. As soon as market open, strong fucking move to the upside. Alright, I'm sure we were just taking out these highs for news. Instant take profit. It was take profit for like 300. I did a small 1 till 1.5, which is alright for me, you know. And then after, I'm just like, wow, okay. So I closed my phone, just started waiting until I got selected, and then I checked back later, and we started dumping because of the news. But I'm glad that it just didn't dump right at market open. And today I didn't trade again because of this move right here. So we were consolidating, and we broke past these buyers. So now this is our resistance level, right? I was out all day since 9 o'clock. So this is where we were, 9 o'clock, right here, this candle right here. I'm looking, okay, this is our support. This is where our buyers are sitting. It's continuing to reject off this. So I'm like, okay, if we stay between, now this becomes our resistance because we broke past this before. We broke past this trend right here. We broke past this consolidation area. So sellers are sitting here now, and we're dumping off, right? We retraced back. We failed to take these highs. We rejected off these highs, and we dumped back, and we rejected off these lows, right? So I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna trade. It's just ranging right now. I would have taken a trade if I was home here, because we broke past the sellers. Now this becomes, again, what happens is we turn this into a support level, right? So now I seen this move. I'm like, oh shit, I missed it. And we retraced back. This would have been a good entry for me because it was a strong rejection. Like, I would have longed right here. Stop loss. Oh, stop loss. Just 40 points right here at the end of this wick. And that would have been a good entry and target these highs. This resistance level, right? So I think that's gonna happen. Right now it's almost 12:55, but kind of bummed out that I missed out on this entry just because I was out all day. Went to drop off my aunt to work. Went to go give my girlfriend some flowers. She's been feeling kind of emotional recently and just been down, so I just went to go grab her for some flowers, just cause, you know. And then I went to go see my mom. But if I was on the charts, I would take this setup because we had a nice strong rejection off this support, and we're just going up right now. We might even take these highs. If we take these highs and push past this resistance, I might take a trade up to this high. But I don't really have to, so it'd be here, and then I'd want to have my stop right here. I always go for 40 points, 3 contracts. It's around $240. I risk about $250 per trade. This is a nice, again, 1 to 3 RR, almost a 1 to 4. We have all this range to fill. Yes, there are fair value gaps here that I can reject off, but I don't trade fair value gaps anymore because too many confluences for me kind of fucked me up. But yeah, so if we do break past these this resistance level, I will maybe take a long position here. I can even target ATH, like all-time highs, but I don't need to. Or I can even do just a 1 to 2, right? That's still a good setup for me. I've been journaling my trades on Notion, and I'm creating a playbook to see what kind of trades I win, lose, whatever. But it's just a small recap. This video is not going to be not be too long because, again, I didn't record yesterday, and I'm recording now, but I'm not in a trade right now. So yeah, easy.